but in Jamaica, it's locally known as the Jamaican apple. So me and my mommy is going to use these apples to make some apple juice for you.
Let's go pick apples.
Sure, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go to the apple tree. It's good.
Who can give me a pan?
Woo. That looks
You see those purple ones looking almost black? Oh my god. Mommy Trina looks stable though. Look, it look rotten.
It is rotten. But it is rotten.
Don't worry. If it's rotten, you're gonna die together tonight. Let's start. I agree with you though about the stability of this tree.
Yeah, rotten. Eh? Almost every limb in this tree is there. Almost.
Yes, neither you or Kiara won't stop me from climbing this tree tonight.
That is a bad omen.
Why?
That was rotten. She's rotten to the core. She won't stop, guys. Ah!
Okay.
Alright, I made it in the apple tree. Come on, give me the bucket, Kenzie.
Nice.
That's it.
Whoa. Give me a thumbs up for that good, awesome work.
Whoa! Woo-hoo. Yes, this is definitely worth the climb.
That's so tasty.
Alright, so
Let's get started.
we picked a lot of apples and some of them break, so we're going to use them to make some juice today.
Yes.
So in making our apple juice, this is what we need: our apple, and I have some ginger puree that I made. This is a way to save my ginger a bit longer. Some brown sugar and water. This is all we need: water, sugar, apple, and a blender. Alright, so for the steps off, there's no particular way in cutting it, honestly. It's just to get the seed out. If there's any bad parts on the apple, you want to cut that off as well. And just take the stem out. Let me know in the comments below if you ever made apple juice before from our local apples and how you make them and what you add in yours. So I'm basically just running my juice through a strainer because we want to get out all that additional trash. It's not a smoothie, so it's not like creamy smooth. So you need to strain it properly. Yeah, man. Rub out everything out there, rub out all of the juice. I'm gonna add my ginger, and this juice takes quite a bit of ginger. This spray is very, very strong, so I have to use a small amount. Alright, that's it. Look at that beautiful lush. Can't wait to taste it. This is thick, guys, so I'm just assisting the strain. Alright, so this is our apple and our ginger. Now adding my sugar. And this is no measurement. I'm not measuring my ginger, I'm not measuring my sugar, I'm not measuring my water, because this is going to, this depends on how you want your juice, the sweetness that you desire, the amount of ginger that you desire, the amount of apples that you will be using. Alright, fun fact. Adding lime juice. Did you know that when you add lime juice to your apple juice, it changes the color? Look. See that? Now the lime juice is optional, but it also balances out the flavor for me and give it this lush, exotic look. Voila! Beautiful, isn't it? Alright guys, so our apple juice is ready. We're gonna taste. So refreshing. Where's our climate tree? Pick these apples and I'm hot. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's a real deal. Check it out. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to watch, like, share, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't.